Good morning, Carla. How's your day going?
I'm exhausted. I can't believe it's only Wednesday morning.
What's been keeping you so busy?
Well, I work during the day, and then a lot of my evenings are spent studying. I have exams in about 2 weeks.
What are you studying?
I'm a law student.
Really?
Yep. 3 terms to go.
Do you know anything about rental and tenancy law?
A bit. But I can't give anyone any advice as yet. I'm not actually a legal practitioner. There are rules we all have to follow.
Oh sure, I totally get it. I definitely wouldn't want to get you in trouble.
I thought so. Say, how's your daughter getting along?
Oh, she's fine. She just made the cheerleading squad. Hey listen, Carla.
Yes.
Look, obviously you can't give me any legal advice. You've said that and I totally respect it.
But?
Well, what if, hypothetically, there was a woman who couldn't afford to see a lawyer, but had just received an eviction notice due to what they say is her damage to the house?
I'd say I was really sorry, and I'd refer her to a community legal center.
Okay, sure. And what advice do you think she would get there?
Well, they'd probably tell her to take photos of the alleged damage, and offer to repair it or make it good. And they'd probably tell her about the different mediation processes available if they do try to kick you out. Also, they have to give you a certain amount of notice before they can kick you out, and there are other processes that need to be followed. But all of this is hypothetical, right?
Hypothetical. Of course.